Hey there! This is a step-by-step tutorial on setting up a Titan email account through your MonoVM dashboard. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to connect your domain to Titan email so you can start using a professional email address that matches your domain name. We'll cover each step connecting your domain to adding important records like MX, SPF, and DKIM, which help route your emails and keep them secure. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to send and receive emails from your Titan account with confidence. Let's get started. Logging into your MonoVM account. Start by logging into your MonoVM account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a section called Services. Click on that. Selecting Titan Professional Email Service. Now, if you want a Titan email account, select the service called Titan Professional Email. You'll need to link your domain to Titan to get started with Titan. But before doing that, let's go to the control panel to check the setup status. Checking the control panel for domain connection. Inside the control panel, scroll down until you spot an error message. It should say something like, "Your domain is not connected to Titan Mail." No worries, this is exactly what we're here to fix. Click on Connect Domain to get started on this connection. Navigating to Domains in MonoVM dashboard. Great. Now go back to your MonoVM dashboard. Head over to Domains and find the domain you want to connect with Titan Email. Accessing MX Records. On the right side, click on MX Records. These records will help route your emails through Titan. We'll need to add some values here. Copying and adding MX Records. To add your MX Records, return to the Control Panel tab, where the MX record values are shown. Copy the first value and paste it into the appropriate field in the dashboard. When you're done, click Save Changes. Adding the second MX record. Now let's add the second MX record. Return to the Control Panel page, copy the second value, and paste it into the related field in your MonoVM dashboard. After setting the priority again, click Save Changes, confirming MX and TXT Record addition. Alright, now go back to the control panel. Scroll all the way down until you see a checkbox that confirms you've added your Titan Mix and TXT records to your DNS control panel. Check that box, and then click Verify. Adding the SPF record. Next, we need to add an SPF record. An SPF record is another type of setting that helps identify authorized email senders and prevent spam. Click on Connect, then copy the SPF value as shown in the video. Go back to your MonoVM dashboard, and from the right sidebar, choose TXT Records. Paste that SPF value in the TXT field, then click Save Changes. Verifying the TXT record. Once you've saved the TXT record, go back to your control panel, check the box that says, "I've added TXT records," and click Verify. Setting up email reputation and adding DKIM Record. Almost there. Next, let's set up email reputation, which is important for email security. Here, you'll want to add a DKIM record. This special type of record adds a layer of security to outgoing emails, making them harder to spoof or fake. Copy the DNS hostname and TXT record value from the control panel. Then, go back to your MonoVM dashboard. Find the TXT records section and paste those values into the fields exactly as shown. Click Save Changes. Final verification in the control panel. Finally, go back to your control panel one last time to verify that all your TXT records have been added. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Titan Email on your domain using MonoVM. How to create Titan Email. Now let's create a Titan Email account linked to your domain. In your MonoVM dashboard, look at the left side menu. Go ahead and click on Services in the sidebar. This is where you'll find all the products and services connected to your account. Now find the Titan Professional Email Service and select it. Great! Now from here, we'll go to the control panel on the right. Inside the control panel, scroll down until you see the Email Accounts option. Alright, we're almost there. Now click on Email Accounts. Here's where you can create your new email. First, enter the name you'd like to use for your new email. After that, set a secure password. It's also a good idea to add a recovery email here. This will make it easier to reset your password if you ever forget it. Once you've filled in these details, your email account is ready to go. Now click Access Webmail to open your email inbox. When you first log into Webmail, enter the email and password you just created, and then confirm your recovery email when prompted. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Welcome to your new Titan email inbox. You're all set to start using it. To write your first email, click on New Email. Since it's your first time, Titan will guide you through some initial setup options. First, you'll be asked to set your name for outgoing emails. Then, you'll have the option to integrate your Titan email with your Gmail account. Let's skip that for now, but you can always come back to it later if you want to sync them. Next, you can set up an email signature if you'd like. Now Titan will ask you to choose a preferred email view. Once you've set that, it'll suggest downloading the Titan app for your mobile device. For now, let's click Done to finish the setup. Now you're ready to write and send your first email. If you click on New Email again, you're good to go. And there you have it. You've set up your Titan email account and are ready to use it. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips from MonoVM. Thanks for watching.